Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Subscribe for new videos every Monday. This week's recipe, Nutella Doughnut. These donut holes are made with quick and easy biscuits stuffed with Nutella and rolled in cinnamon sugar for that extra flavor. Let's get started. Working with Nutella, that chocolate hazelnut spread, and biscuits, quick and easy, ready to make. Cut those into quarters, and we'll be making about 16 donut holes today, and I saved the rest for another time. They store in the refrigerator really easily. Then pressing them with the palm of your hand. And then this is kind of the key step here, is to have both hands and fingers working. Stretch them out a little bit. It's almost like making a dumpling. They stretch pretty easily. Grabbing just a very tiny spoonful of Nutella and just dabbing it to where it smoothly drops into the center. Just a little bit will do. And you want to pinch it shut. You're not folding one or the other. You're kind of folding all 8 sides together, just like that. And then pinch and fold. Pinch and fold until you create a tiny little ball. No flour here because flour it needs to stay sticky, so you get that shape. And then you have these donut holes. Nice smooth balls. Go ahead and roll them into a smoother shape, just like that. Now making the cinnamon sugar to roll our finished donut holes in. This is an optional step. You don't have to do this, but I like that extra flavor. Testing out our 2 cups of hot oil with a piece of biscuit that turns brown, so you know your oil's ready for frying. Sliding in 2 at a time. We are going to fry about 8 at a time, no more than that. And these need to keep moving at all times. Just keep rolling them. They fry for no more than 2 minutes. They turn golden brown pretty quickly. Do not walk away. Do not answer the phone. Stick around until you get these out, and with a slotted spoon, and then place them on a paper towel. Working with the next batch until all of your donut holes have been fried and are ready. So make sure to strain that extra oil out, and then you can begin to roll into a cinnamon sugar, or optional, you could just roll into granulated or caster sugar. That'll be just as fine as well. But they're delicious on their own, or delicious with that extra flavor. But look at them. They're golden, they're puffy, they're fluffy, and you'd be surprised how easy this is to put together, and they're so delicious and easy to make. Right, so let's take a peek here. And there it is. That's a smooth, creamy, warm chocolate hazelnut Nutella with a bite of cinnamon sugar on top. Has a nice crunch, creamy center, delicious. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every week. I'll see you next Monday. Bye for now.